today we are going to be focusing on the glute bridge. The glute bridge is a great exercise to help stabilize and strengthen your entire core, but specifically the glutes and your glute medius muscle, which are generally very weak in many people just from way too many hours sitting. So to do this, we're going to go onto our back. I'm going to roll over. I'm going to put my knees up to roughly 90 here. I'm going to lie down. Generally when I do this, I put my arms out straight because most people from just way too much sitting, they are very tight through their pectoral region. So just putting your arms up nice and flat helps to open up through here also. So I've got my arms or my legs bent roughly to 90, my arms out, and then I'm going to try to make everything through here nice and straight. So from my knees, through my legs, through my torso, into my head, I want everything a relatively straight line. So it looks something like this. So first thing which I do is that I contract my core. So I'm going to tighten everything through here. So when I say contract, I don't mean hollow, I don't mean suck it in. Basically, if somebody was going to punch you in the stomach, you would tighten that area. That's what we are doing. So I'm contracting my core first, then I'm going to raise up like this. I'm going to try to make everything relatively straight. So again, from my knees, through my legs, through my torso, into my head, everything should be relatively straight. I'm contracting my core, but I'm also really squeezing my glutes. I am squeezing my butt muscles. That is the key to actually strengthening the glutes and specifically the glute medius. So again, I'm holding this, I am contracting. I'm going to hold this roughly about 10 seconds. Then I'm going to slowly, gently, in a controlled fashion drop down. Ideally, we are doing about 10 repetitions of this, holding it about 10 seconds per time. We are resting about 3 to 4 seconds in between. We want to aim for 2 to 3 sets of this exercise. None of this should be painful. If it's painful, please stop, let us know. We can work on modifying things. It is key to do this nice and slowly to make sure we are contracting with both our core and our glutes at the same time. Any questions about any of this, please ask.